All right, how do you find the area of an oblique triangle, meaning not a right triangle, given two sides and an included angle, or three sides? So I have two formulas for you today. They're both super easy depending on what you've been given. So let's say I have a triangle ABC. So my sides, opposite angle A, side A, opposite angle B, side B, opposite angle C, side C. If I'm given two of these sides, like B and C, and the included angle, which is the angle that is in between B and C, or that B and C make up, then I can easily find the area using 1/2 those two sides times the sine of the included angle. So this you use when you're given two sides and included angle. And it's really that easy. Now, they may not be B and C, they may be A and B, in which case, for example, if you had A and B, the included angle would be angle C. So example 1, find the area of triangle ABC with A equal to 13, B equal to 15. Oh, and these are inches. And capital C, or angle C, equal to 71 degrees. So the first thing I would always do is draw out the triangle. Just so that you can get a visual of what you actually have. So I can see then that I have, side, angle, side is how we always thought about this in geometry. So I can see that I have two sides and an included angle. So the area becomes really easy. I'm just going to do 1/2 both of those sides, product of both of those sides, times the sine of the included angle. You punch that into your calculator, you're going to get approximately 92.19 square inches. Okay, so what if you're not just given side, angle, side? Well, you have, if you're just given three sides, then you have a formula called Heron's formula. So let's do Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is basically area is going to equal, and I'll explain what all this means in a second, S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay, and maybe I should say use when given three sides. Okay, so what is S? S is something that we call the semi-perimeter. And it's equal to, it's really simple, it's half the sum of all the sides. Hence, semi-perimeter. Okay, so it's that easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find your semi-perimeter, then you just plug in your semi-perimeter along with each side. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and do an example like that. We'll find the area of triangle JDH if J equals 5 centimeters, D equals 7 centimeters, and H equals 11 centimeters. So this will be my H. Oops, let me switch those around. So you can see that I have all three sides. So your area is going to be the square root. And we have to find the semi-perimeter. So that might be, actually, why don't I go off to the side here. Semi-perimeter is going to equal 1/2 the sum of all of my sides. And I'll go ahead and write that out. And that'll give me 11.5. So then for the area formula, I just plug in semi-perimeter times the semi-perimeter minus each side. And when you do all that in your calculator, you should get 12.97 square centimeters. All right, pretty easy lesson.